So, Claire was given $40 by her parents to spend at the mall with her friends. If pretzels cost $4 and drinks cost $3, which inequality represents the number of pretzels P and drinks D that she can buy for herself and her friends? Now, this question, I don't think it's as clear as it should be. I'm assuming that it says that it means pretzels are $4 each. Not that she spent $4 on pretzels, sorry, but that's how much they are each. And the same thing for the drinks. The drinks are $3 each. So I wish it had specified that a little better, but that's okay. So when I'm writing an equation or an inequality, I like to start with the end of it. And so every equation or inequality has a story. And the story here is that she went to the mall, she bought some pretzels, and she bought some drinks, and she has $40 to spend. So the end result, the end of the story is the $40. So let's start with that. So I've got the $40. And then the question is, what inequality symbol to use here? So on the other side here is going to be how much she spends. So that's going to be on the other side of the inequality is how much she spends. And so how much she spends can be up to $40, but it can't be over it. But she could spend less. So how much she spends has to be less than 40 or equal to 40. And so now if I go and look at my answers, I've already eliminated two of them. So the answer is either A or C. Okay. So I like to start with this. Now I'm gonna write the expression over here that shows how much she spent. And so she spent $4 per pretzel. And so P is for pretzels. So I just put 4 times P. So $4 times the number of pretzels she bought. Plus, then she bought sodas, and those were $3 each. And those are D. So I have 4P plus 3D is less than or equal to 40. And that's answer A. Now, writing these is tricky. I find it's one of the hardest things for my students, but I also find that the more you do it, the more you practice these, the better you'll get. So keep it up. You're doing great. You're on your way to mastering the math.